So I've been pulled over numerous times. You know, I think I've been a master at coming up with excuses. So I want to do this. I want you to be the cop and let me give you the excuse, and we'll flip back and forth.
All right, let's do it. Yeah.
Okay. Excuse number one. Pulling over.
Can I see your license and registration, please?
Yeah, here you go, officer. Can I ask you why you're pulling me over?
Can you give me is there a good reason why you're speeding right now?
Yes. You know, okay, so last night I had Chipotle.
Okay.
This morning I had Del Taco. And then for lunch I had Denny's. So I have diarrhea. So that's why I was driving so fast. I appreciate it if you let me go, because I gotta take a shit in my pants right now.
Okay, you gotta show me or something, because it's kind of hard to believe.
You want me to show you shitting in my pants?
I need to see something.
You're into that?
You need to show me something, because it's hard to believe right now.
Why is your accent like that?
I don't know.
Yo, you think it'll work?
I don't know if someone used it before.
I got the shits. I gotta go, or I'm gonna poop right here. I'm so sorry.
I think it would work.
You think it work?
I think it's funny. Yeah.
Okay, let's try another excuse. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
How's it going, officer?
You're my first customer for today.
Oh shit, okay.
All right, tell me why you were swerving all over the road.
You know, officer, I just came from pues yo soy de México y ahorita no sé dónde estoy. I'm lost.
No hablo inglés?
I'm lost.
Hey,
and,
manos arriba.
Hey,
hey,
hey.
Cállate la boca. Hey. Hey, can I get a translator for this Mexican?
Officer, I'm lost. I don't know where to go.
Oh, you speak English now?
No.
All of a sudden?
No, hablo español.
Hablo inglés, eh?
No.
Hablo inglés, eh?
Yo no. For me, lost. That's it.
Me lost.
Yes.
Like,
this car, not mine. And I do whatever you want.
You do whatever.
Whatever.
Anything.
Whatever.
You ever been with a man?
Yes.
Yeah.
A lot. A lot of them. As a matter of fact. Just let me go, officer. I'll do whatever.
Okay, so I think the first part I would not let you go.
You wouldn't?
The second part, I'd just be so confused.
At first, because I was like, fuck this shit, I'm lost. I was like, alright, I should do, fuck, I'm already speaking English. I don't speak English. I was how to speak English.
You switched over all of a sudden. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my
Hopefully
god. Yeah, you would like, maybe, probably.
Yeah.
Have you been with a man?
Like, yes. A lot.
Alright, I'll be the cop.
Right.
Walking up to you. Hey, Sonny.
How's it going, sir?
What's going on here? Why are you driving so fast? Why are you stuttering?
No, I'm not.
You nervous?
No, I'm not nervous.
What's going on?
What had happened was I'm late for work.
Okay. And that gives you a reason to break the law?
No. We just have there's a lot of things we need to get done at work. We gotta make a lot of penises. We make a lot of penises.
Penises?
Yes, I work at a penis
chocolate
factory.
one.
Yes.
I love them myself.
Have you gotten some before?
Yes, I have. Chocolate dick.
Yes, we have. Yeah. We actually make
well,
those.
In that case, go on and make those dicks.
You want me to? I have one with me. If you want me to show you?
Is it dark chocolate?
Whoop.
When pulled over.
Walking up. Alright, sir, is there a reason why your car is swerving in and out of lanes?
Officer, I just broke up with my girlfriend.
Oh, dear.
You gotta understand, I snapped her, she left me on red.
Oh, God.
I checked her IG and it showed she was active. So I logged into my other Instagram account and it showed that she was commenting and liking other people's pictures.
Oh, dear.
But she left me on red.
My girl, I have a daughter, she likes it. As a matter of fact, what is this girl you speak of? What's her name?
What's your last name?
Rodriguez.
Rodriguez?
Yeah.
Is it Melissa?
That's my daughter.
Oh shit.
How long have you been seeing this girl?
That would turn up so bad.
Get out of the car right now. Get out of the car.
You're fucked. You think that, like, you broke up with, because I know girls do that. Girls be like, I broke up with my boyfriend I need
It's like a
some
sob
time.
story.
You think that'll work?
I think it does.
You think so?
Yeah,
Will you meet the right cop?
I think so.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, because I think some cops have.
So maybe. That's a maybe. That's
a
maybe
maybe,
work.
yeah.
Okay, maybe it'll work. I'll pull you over right now.
Shit. Okay,
Hey,
over.
let me see your hands, license and registration.
All right, sir. Is it cool?
I said not to move.
Oh shit. Okay.
But let me see your registration.
Okay.
But don't move.
All right.
Let me see it.
How do I reach over and grab it, sir?
Don't move.
Okay.
But let me see it.
Sir.
Okay, go ahead and
I'm
move.
scared. Sir, I'm scared. What do I do?
Go ahead and move.
Okay.
All right, tell me why you're speeding.
My wife is pregnant, sir.
Pregnant?
Yes, she's having a baby right now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Right now?
Right now.
How do you know it's right now?
She texts me, sir.
She's texting while she's having a baby.
Yes.
That's a talented woman right there.
She's very talented, sir. She knows how to do multiple things at a time.
You know what I'm saying, yeah?
Yeah, if you know what I mean, sir. If you know what I mean, sir, she's really good.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, I think I'll let you go for sure.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. I think that would work. I think that would work.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was a good one.
I think a cop will let me go. Damn.
Yeah,
What's
pregnant?
scary? What's
Fuck yeah.
scary about that is like I'll escort you to the hospital.
Ooh.
It's like, oh shit.
Ooh, that would be bad.
Would they do that?
Yeah, they would.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I was like,
Hey, check this out.
Fuck.
HQ1.
oh
Yeah.
my god.
So guys, I know, video interruption, but we're at Primal Driven Headquarters 1. Right now.
Uno. Oh shit, someone peeking.
Oh,
shit.
oh
Oh my god. Someone's peeking.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's
Okay.
scary.
All right. Switch. New excuse.
This is what the cop said when he pulled me over.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
go
what he
ahead.
said. Whoop whoop. Whoop. Alright, sir. Is there a reason why you're missing a front bumper? What's going on here?
I'm sorry. I just, officer, you've been working out?
Huh? Whoa, I've been hitting the gym quite a bit.
Officer, you do look real familiar. You look like a boy I dated before.
Oh, darling.
You got
Darling, what's your name? What's your name?
Why do you sound like a cowboy?
I don't know. I imagine cops like that.
You sound like a cowboy.
Goddamn. Oh shit. Patrol.
Oh shit.
Oh, it's what the fuck is this? A little
Security office now.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's how I imagine cops. I don't know why.
Do you think flirting would work?
I think flirting would work.
Flirting would work.
Yeah, if it's a like us, like if we were to do it.
Yeah. For guys?
Oh shit, I don't think that would work.
Like, hey, right now we're at HQ
Número dos. No.
4.
Cuatro.
3. This is 3, I think.
This is it right here?
Yeah, this is one of them. Cause I used to park my car here and there.
Oh yeah, the other one was over there.
I think flirting would work.
I think flirting will work.
Flirting.
Probably not me. Probably if I try to flirt, I'll get my ass fucking kicked.
Probably not a guy flirting with a guy cop. That probably would not work.
I think a girl cop would be fucking. I think trying to get at a girl cop would be fucking hard.
Hey, girl. I like how that uniform hugs your body.
Hey, girl.
Hey, you don't mind me if I resist a bit, so you can come at me, right?
God damn.
Whoa! Don't shoot.
Don't shoot, girl.
I'm not resisting.
She's like, you got any weapons in the car?
You wanna go
right
with
here,
me?
girl? You wanna reach for it, girl?
I've got something in my pants. If you wanna go down and
What
grab
is it,
it.
sir? What is it? I got my gun right here.
I know you see a bolt, but that's not my gun. Whoa!
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Damn. Yeah, that'll be hard. Cause I never experienced a girl cop. I know the girl cops are really hard.
You never experienced a girl cop, man.
I never experienced a girl cop in my life.
Maybe
Maybe one day.
Maybe
Not right now. How's it going?
Good. How's it going with you?
It's going pretty good. Thanks for asking. Is there a reason why you are speeding?
Yeah,
today?
I mean, I was driving.
Okay. Yes, I know. I don't know. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Are you from? Oh God. Oh, that sounds familiar. What? What's going on? Sir? Okay, I think I'm gonna. I need back up right now. I got some weird. Guy here. We need back up fast. We need back up fast. This guy's doing some weird noises. I'm scared. Oh,
Can you imagine if someone was doing that to you?
I'm scared. That's fucking scary, Loki. This guy's on drugs or something. I'm scared.
I'm scared. You think you'll let me go?
Probably not.
Probably
Probably not. Be like, what's
just
going
being
on?
annoying.
I was like, what the fuck? What is going on? That'd be scary. If I was a cop and some guy was doing that in a car, I'd be like,
he's like, what
the fuck?
Let me see your hands.
Let me see that.
Whoop whoop. Hey,
How's it going, Oscar?
what's up? How's it going?
Am I being detained?
You are currently being detained.
Am I being detained?
You are being detained. So can I see your license?
I haven't committed
Can
no
I
crimes.
see your
officer.
license, registration, and insurance?
I have committed no
I
crimes.
pulled you
officer.
over because you have no front plate.
Is that? Am I being detained, officer?
You are being detained. License, registration, insurance, please.
Is in code 356? Is that a reason to pull me over, officer?
Yes, you have no front plate.
Well, I've been looking and I've been researching, and right now that is not a valid reason for you to.
You're gonna tell me how to do my job?
Yes, officer, because right now you do not know what you are doing.
You have no front plate.
Am I being detained, officer? Can I leave?
Are you refusing to give me your license, registration, insurance?
Can I leave, officer? Am I being detained?
Can I get a backup?
Officer,
Back up!
can I speak to your sergeant?
Officer needs help!
Can I speak to your
He's
sergeant?
being combative!
And then I'd be leaving.
I was straight up whoop your ass!
Yeah.
That would not work.
I don't think that.
You're fucking over, dude.
Really?
Hell yeah! It'd be like, you're gonna give me this?
Oh yeah, I would.
You got no front plates. You got tinted windows. Your car is too damn low. Your shirt is black.
Am I being detained? I've seen videos when people fucking do that, man.
Yeah. And then they turn on their phone and be like, "Am I being detained?"
Oh
They
yeah,
record
they
the whole
record,
thing?
and then they break the window. I got glass in my eye, and they pull them out, and then oh my god.
You think that'll work?
Yeah.
Like if you know somebody,
I think that low key. I think that's a thing.
like if I know somebody, and I tell you, hey, I got a homie that's a cop.
I think that's a thing. Low
Yeah?
key. Yeah. I think. But hasn't that? Yeah, I think that's a thing.
Hasn't that? Yeah, I don't know. Not to say that I've used such excuses in my life.
I think yeah, that's a good one. I like that one.
Yeah,
I think you could get away with that.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah. That's a.
Fuck
Fuck that one. You cannot get away with that one. God damn.
Excuse me, young man. You know, I pulled you over because you're driving a little bit too fast around this neighborhood.
You know what, officer?
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck right now.
Oh, really? This is how we're gonna play this game, huh?
Hey, you can do
License, registration, insurance, please.
Come on, officer. You know I don't play like that.
No, I'm not playing at all. I'm actually doing my job.
You know, I'm doing my job too. I'm trying to
And your job is what?
You know what? I'm hustling a little bit.
Hustling.
You know how it is, officer. Come on.
I actually don't. I work full time.
I work full time too, officer. Come on, you got to think about people in the hustle right now.
No, actually, I hustle every day. It's called work. So go ahead and license, registration. Keep your hands where I can see them, by the way.
Come on, officer.
Yeah?
You gotta play like that.
So what's your name? What's your name?
Robbie.
Robbie, what do they call you, Robbie?
Robbie Little D.
Robbie Little D.
Yeah.
Is that
It doesn't
implying
mean I got a little D though.
that's implying you have a little D?
Nah.
Oh, you know, that's sad. That's sad.
You know what, officer?
Just because of that name, I might have to let you go because that should be a handicap, having a little D. So have a good day.
That's fucked up, officer.
That's
fucked up, officer. Fuck that. That's fucked up.
And you start fighting me?
I know.
You call me a little D.
That's not the reason they call me that. Get over here.
We're doing the type R. Type R. Oh! Damn.
Wait, is it?
No, that's
That's License registration, please.
Alright, sir. Alright.
License.
Here you go.
What do you mean? Oh, be careful.
Here you go. Okay, I'm kind of in a rush, sir. Can I leave, please?
Okay.
Please.
Why are you in a rush?
Please. I left my house on fire.
What the
I
hell?
need to get home.
Where's your house?
I know it's hard to explain, but I left it on fire. And I need to get home.
Wait, what the hell? You're telling me, son,
Hold
you
on.
left
You're
your
wasting
house on fire?
You're wasting my time. Do you know who I am?
Your license is expired.
Do you know who I am? I pay your salary.
Who are you?
Mike Wynn. How do you not know who I am?
Oh, your
I know-
license is expired.
You know what?
You shouldn't be driving right now.
I'm gonna make a phone call, and I hope they don't answer.
Who are you calling?
The mayor, because I know him. My son's friends' dogs hang out together,
Oh,
and
God.
we know each other. So I'm telling you now, you're either gonna let me go or I'm gonna make a phone call.
Okay, you're gonna have to make that phone call, sir.
I'm gonna make a phone call.
You're driving.
I'm trying to save your job right now, and if you don't listen, you're gonna get fired.
You got a DUI on your record.
No.
Please step out of the car now.
No.
Or am I gonna have to use force?
I know my rights, and you don't know who I am.
Step out of the car, sir. I might have to call back.
No, you're gonna have to pull me out then. You're gonna have to. I'm not gonna get on my car. I know my rights.
You know what, sir?
No.
All right. Robbie.
You can call your friends if all you want, but
Robbie D's nuts. I'm gonna need some backup.
That's a stupid name. That's a stupid name.
Shots fired.
No.
That's good.
People do that.
Shots fired?
No. Well, yeah, that too. But people use people like, you know who I
know
am?
the mayor.
You think that's a thing?
That's a thing.
You think that's a thing?
Fuck yeah, that's a thing. I'm pretty sure.
Do you think they would get away with it though?
No.
No?
No, I don't think so.
No?
If they really do know someone in power,
yeah.
Maybe. But I don't think so. I think most of the time you get busted.
You get busted anyways.
Yeah, you get busted. It's like it's almost like being a dickhead. You're being a dickhead. If you're trying to like call, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Buenas tardes.
Hello, officer.
¿Tiene tu licencia?
Excuse me, tôi không nói tiếng Mỹ.
No hablas español?
No, không nói tiếng Mỹ, không biết nói, ông nói gì.
Vivimos en California.
Không.
Español.
I không có speak español tiếng gì vậy?
Okay, what?
Hôm nay làm gì? Hả? Người chính xác như xấu vậy?
Licencia. License.
No, I don't want to take picture. Don't want to take picture. No.
Ticket.
No. No, không muốn chụp hình.
You.
Yes. No.
Muy rápido, muy fast. Muy rápido.
Chạy xe, no, không có lấy xe nhanh. No, không.
¿Con qué?
Không.
Ban?
Boyfriend?
You mine? Boyfriend? You mine.
You good?
Little.
No trouble. I don't want no trouble. Different culture.
Tú conmigo, novio. Novia. Tú mi novia.
No. Te amo.
No me amo.
Mi amo.
¿Tu licencia?
No chupo mis huevos.
Oh. ¿Tú chupas mis huevos?
No huevos. No huevos.
Tú no tienes huevos.
No huevos.
So, ¿tú eres muchacha?
No huevos.
Oh no. God damn it. I was trying to do no huevos.
It's just getting smaller.
I know.
It's smaller.
I was like, fuck. That was hard. I was trying really hard not to laugh on that one.
So basically, you're a cop in Mexico, and you got a Vietnamese guy driving through Mexico.
Oh, fuck.
And then I'm trying to tell you I have no idea what you're talking about.
No huevos.
No huevos. All right, guys. Which one of those excuses do you think work best? I think personally, it's probably who you know.
Yeah. I think
huevos.
I think being in a rush one might work.
Being in a rush. No, I think the pregnant one.
Oh, the pregnant one.
But if he calls, if he calls you out,
if he calls you, you're fucked.
Yeah. No, that's not. But anyways, leave in the comments below if you guys enjoyed these skits. Let me know in the comments. Like button, subscribe, and if it's your first time ever watching, welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Peace out. Peace. Oh damn!
Damn,
the music's bumping.
Some good ass shit.
Yeah, you know.
I don't believe right now.
Why is your accent like that?
I don't know. And that's what cops usually sound like that when they pull me over.
You sound like a cowboy.
Yes, we have. Yeah. We actually make.
Well, in
those.
that case, go on and make those dicks.
You want me to? I have one with me. If you want me to show you.
Is it dark chocolate?
A little white chocolate.
I don't know if that excuse is gonna work. That excuse is not gonna work.
That's gonna get me busted.
That's gonna get you busted. He might actually ask for your number.
God damn.